Southwest Airlines and its entire flight crew would like to welcome all of you to Chicago. For your continued safety, the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, all the luggage stowed, till we've come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. It's been a pleasure having you on board with us today. We know you have a choice when you fly. We do appreciate your business here at Southwest. If you're making connections here, you will need to deplane. Check the monitor in the gate area for your appropriate gate assignment and time of departure. For those of you going on to Buffalo, this is your airplane. Please remain on board, remain in your seats. Allow our Chicago folks a chance to deplane. W will be coming from the back of the airplane to count you. This will assure you a seat on the next flight. Once we have obtained that count, we'll make an announcement. At that point, you can move around, but please stay seated just a few extra minutes. Please be careful when you open the overhead bins. The items above may have shifted during the flight. Chicago is your destination. Buckle up, drive safely, have a great day. Good weekend coming up. We hope the next time business or pleasure takes you traveling, you'll call Southwest Airlines once again. Thanks so much. Welcome to Chicago.